Hey, it looks like you got trees growing on your stabilizers.
Yeah.
Were they working?
No, that wasn't like that when we hauled it out. This came back, you know this, they had scraped the feet, they had scraped the barnacles, but they had left the feet. And they came back pretty quick.
Did the stabilizers work on your way out?
The starboard stabilizer works. The port stabilizer does not work. No matter what we did, we tried tapping the valve, fooling around with it. We actually just went out Fort Pierce Inlet, trying to shake her up a little bit, but port side is dead.
Okay, and you got my note about the fuel polisher guy?
Yes, I spoke to him.
Okay. So he'll open one of the windows in the engine room and take the hoses through there. Lazarette bilge pump still works.
I forgot to turn off. I was dumping the water. I got the sink open in the wrong bag. That's that oddball fuel stand.